I'm back. I'm still speechless. Come on. Thank you. So I gotta clean this up. This is what I'm supposed to be unboxing. This is like an early birthday. Here you go. Transit. It's a organic transition. This is a Garmin killer. It's a very nice. It feels expensive. It feels like an Apple packaging. So here it is, the moment of truth. It fell. Good thing it's 12-point military grade, so you can throw this around. So that's just the sticker. Anyway, so this is what I ordered. That it's a Garmin killer. It's light. It's very light. Oops, fell again. Good thing this is 12-point military grade. There's the heart rate sensor. Very nice. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. So this is just the unboxing. I'll try and do a review of it, or a lot of people have done a video on the features. I just wanted to do an unboxing. So it still needs to be charged, but that looks good. Look, that looks good. Looks very sporty. Anyway, Mon, thank you again for my Garmin new. I actually need a new light because I only have one, and I switch it between my cyclocross bike. So this is nice. I won't need. I'm gonna put this on my road bike because I will really need this for safety.